Hi guys! So I've started this garden about a month ago, and as you can see here I've got quite a bit of plants growing. These ones I started from sprouts, but most of them I've started from seeds, and we're getting quite a bit of sprouts growing. We've had a lot of rain here in Virginia where I live, and that's helped out quite a bit, but it also made the garden not so aesthetically pleasing to look at, and it's quite a rocky terrain, so that took quite a while to plant and everything, so I'm hoping most of the plants will grow. That's why when you see the overview of what I just did, that's why there's so many rocks. But I also use that to my advantage to kind of section out all the different pieces. So if you want to see where the garden takes us, go ahead and follow along on the journey, and I'll see you next video. I'll do one on the herbs that I have planted. I'll go in more into depth about those, and then we'll go ahead and do the rest of the plants.